Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today I'm going to be doing a full engine flush as well as an oil change on my 370Z. I'm going to be using all LiquiMoly products. So as you can see, LiquiMoly engine flush and then LiquiMoly motor oil. For the engine flush, the first thing that it says to do is to add to the car at operating temperature. Once you add the engine flush to the oil at the operating temperature, you're going to let it idle for about 10 to 15 minutes before you change your oil. Right now, I'm just letting my car idle and get up to that operating temperature. Now I'm going to add the engine flush to the oil. Now just let the car idle for about 10 to 15 minutes. I just pulled the car into the garage. I'm going to work on jacking it up and then taking off the plastic under tray underneath the car. So I just got the plastic under tray off, and it is a smart idea to have an impact with a 10 mil on top and then a plastic clip remover. There were 17 10mm bolts and then 3 plastic clips in the middle. Now I'm just going to loosen the drain plug and let all of the oil out.
That was my gun.
It was yours? While the oil is finishing draining, I'm going to go ahead and take off the oil filter. Nice! Now I'm just putting the drain plug back on.
It's good enough. No, it's not.
Now it's time for the new oil filter. We're going to fill it up with oil, lube it up, and put it back on the car. Now I'm going to put the new filter back on. Now that everything is back on, the drain plug and the new oil filter on, I'm going to be adding the new oil. So my 2017 370Z takes 5.2 quarts. So I'm going to be using a full one of those. I can't even see anything. Now that the oil is back in, I'm just going to put the cap back on. Now that the cap is put back on, the filter and the drain plug and everything is good, I'm going to go ahead and put the plastic under tray back on, take the car off jack stands, pull it out, let it run for a while, and make sure my oil is good to go. It's perfect. I am all done with the engine flush and oil change. The only thing I have to do is figure out how to reset that. I'm sure it's like probably the easiest thing in the world, but still, this is a new car to me, so I have to figure that out. I just got it reset for the next 5,000 kilometers, and now I am good to go. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any LiquiMoly questions at all, just feel free to leave a comment below and we'll reply as soon as we can. Until next time, peace out.